I understand my colleague Karishma is joining me this morning. Karishma, very good morning. As far as Gurugram is concerned, pretty sure there are many pressing concerns for citizens. What are the driving factors that have really made them come out? And of course, considering it's going to be a very hot day, we've seen in several parts in the first 5 phases a lower voter turnout considering the temperatures as well. Do you believe that would have an impact on ground as well? And the key concerns for the citizens of Gurugram, Karishma?
Well, it's absolutely, Nivedana. We will try and speak to the citizens here, but as far as the voter turnout is concerned, I can tell you that even before the polling started here at the Pinecrest School at 7 a.m., there was a huge queue outside for people to cast their vote, and it was interesting to see that a majority of them were senior citizens who had come out early morning to cast their vote, to do their duty, and you can see the line is still there of people here outside the Gurugram school to cast their vote. We will try and speak to some senior citizens here as well, and we are going to see what the pressing issues are going to be for people. Sir, if I can come to you, when you go in to vote, what are the issues that you are going to be focusing on?
I think I'll be focusing more on the development and local issues. They are very important for me.
Can you elaborate on the development?
Development of the constituency, development of this area, more sustainable environment, and these kind of issues. I'll be voting for. Thank you.
So you heard, Nivedana, people want development in their constituencies. There are more people here. I will speak to them as well. Ma'am, आप किन चीजों पर ध्यान देंगी when you go into vote?
Main is the leadership. I'm very happy with Modi ji. He's a very, very good leader. Nobody can stand in front of him.
Well, you heard it, the Modi factor also here in Gurugram as well. Nivedana, like I said, many senior citizens coming in, which is setting the example that people should come out in large numbers and vote. Ma'am, what would you like to say today?
I would like to say that they have to be a little better organized. The slips were not available and they were all in disorder. For people like me, we need to have things ready and available.
Absolutely. So some sort of minor hiccups as well, Nivedana, when it comes to polling. It is early in the morning. It's just 7:20, 20 minutes into voting being started. But as you can see here in Gurugram, people are coming out in large numbers to vote. And we spoke to a couple of them who are, talking about the leadership, who are talking about how the focus needs to be on development and local issues as well. So these are the key issues that these people are wanting to be focused on, and the line is only growing here in Gurugram as time passes by for people to vote. There is a senior citizen here as well. I will try and speak to ma'am. Ma'am, what would you say today? What do you think are going to be the main reasons? क्या issues हैं जिन पर काम करने की ज़रूरत है?
कुछ नहीं मुझे कहना है.
So, some people are also upset. Some people, are... So, this is something, there are minor hiccups, like I said, where people are being made to wait for their slips. Of course, it is going to be a long process, but we are here in Gurgaon, which is also Nivedana Virat Kohli's booth, and one can hope that he's also going to come in and vote here.